Hello guys, you're watching the Youth Project DevTalks and this is Gaurav. This is a Learn While Doing series where we'll be learning Git and GitHub while creating a practical solution that is our very own open source project. So let's get started. In this first video, we are going to see what is Git and how we use Git. First, let's talk about Git. So Git is a kind of source control management software. A source control management software is kind of software which actually helps you in collaborating in a team, and also it can help you in navigating between the different versions of your software. And you can consider it like a web browser. In the web browser you have a history, right? You can go back and forth using the back and forward button and check out the previous pages you visited and also go back to the first page. Git is one of the most used source control management software in the world. It is an essential tool that everyone should learn, no matter which programming language they are working on, which platform they are working on. But if they are developing, then they will be using Git or any other source control management software. It's a distributed source control management system that we will be seeing what this means in the upcoming videos, and it powers GitHub. GitHub is one of the biggest open source community right now in existence, and it runs on Git. Let's see what is the problem and why we use Git. So for an example, we have a developer here, Lisa. Lisa is a sole developer in her company and they are working on a mobile application. She is using very native and basic techniques to save her source code. She is saving the project as she is working on it, and when she finds some subsequent release is there, she saves it as a zip file to her backup drive. So she is having a backup drive with her and she's saving everything over there. Now, where is the problem? Let's see, she's working on the application. She worked on version 1, and then there was a version 2, there was a version 2.1, and there was a version 2.2. So she took backup of version 2.2, version 2, and version 1. She didn't take a backup of 2.1 because she was very eager to complete 2.2. Now the main problem arose when people started facing issues with version 2.2. They realized that version 2.2 is very unstable and it is creating problem in mobile devices. So now Lisa is in confusion. She's thinking if only there was a way she could go back to version 2.1, but unfortunately there isn't. So what is the solution of this problem? It's kind of very simple. What if at the place of this day, what if at the place of the backup drive, we have a software, a version controlling software, which natively, automatically tracks all the changes, gives you the ability to see what are the changes you did, and also gives you the ability to navigate between those versions so that you can start working on the previous version and whatsoever. And how does it happen? You'll see that in Git, we call a single snapshot of a code a single commit. So this is a single commit, then this is a single commit, this is a single commit. A snapshot is nothing but the state of code at that particular instance of time on your computer. So for example, you're working on a mobile application and you were able to create the home page. And you see that, okay, now this home page is done. I don't need to change anything in this home page. So what you can do, you can ask Git to please take a snapshot of the source code I'm having over here, and then I'll start working on the next thing. Now, if I screw up at the later stage, I can always go back to the snapshot previously. Every snapshot is called as a commit here. And like for an example, here we are seeing a timeline, and every single green dot that you are seeing over here represents a single commit. And the first commit, we made a first commit when we added push notifications, the notifications that you see in our application. The next commit we added was when we changed the background color. Then we did a login with Google feature. Then we fixed some bugs before going and shipping a version 2.0. When we were ready to ship version 2.0, we again took a backup. We again asked Git to make a commit, and we also gave it a tag. Now this tag is something that is similar to the tags that you have on your social media handles. In the social media, you use tags to classify stuff and to highlight things. So similarly, you can provide a tag of version 2.0. So later, about months from now, if you want to see that what was there, how the code actually looked when we were on the version 2.0, you don't have to navigate between different commits. You can directly search by using version 2.0. So in the next video now, we'll see how we can install Git, how we can initialize Git and ask Git to track changes. We will see how we create a first snapshot or commit. Then we will see how we can check out the history. And at last, we will see that how we can check out a single code base or a single version out of all the different commits. So I hope we will see you in the next video, and please like, subscribe, comment and share. And thank you.